Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we are going to change the item template, and by changing the item template, we can customize the default view. Now we will modify the item template. Let's go to the demo. Alright, this is the form we created previously, and it contains our form view control. So we can access the quick menu by clicking the arrow and choose edit templates. By default, it displays item template, so that's what we are going to modify. So this item template is the one that will get displayed by default. That means it will be used to navigate between the records. Now we are in item template, and this is the item templates view. So what we will do, first we will expand this. Then, so these are all the free form text. So I'm selecting job ID, and here we will choose a large font, and text we will pick a red text here, and we will make it as bold. So we just fixed the job ID label, and we will do the same for other stuff: job description, minimum level and maximum level. But for this, I'm choosing a blue one. Then we can select all the text. Okay, these are all ASP label, and this is not a ASP label control, it's a free form text. That's why we used these properties. Now we can select all these label, or we will first select this one. And or we can select all these. We'll set large, or we can even access the property. Since it's a label, we can access it here. And for color, I'm setting it from, I'm setting the same blue, and size we will set the same size, large. And we will set italic as true. So that's all. If you see, we just changed the template, and here I'm setting blue as well. I mean bold as well. And for color, we will keep this as some color to differentiate that as an ID. So that's all. We modified the item template, and here we are giving a gap as well for edit, delete and new. So here what I'm doing, I'm just clicking this and deleting the delete. So now we have edit and new only. And if you want to replace this, you can do that as well. So all you have to do is set command name as edit, For new, set command name as new. So you can replace this as a button as well. So now we will click here and choose end template editing and save all. Now we can rebuild the solution and run our sample. So here if you see, now we changed the display of the records by changing the item template. Right, now you can navigate through the record and invoke edit button to edit a specific job ID. Right, here you can update the job ID. Let me click cancel here. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.